बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ये लेसन 48 है अबाउट ईडियम सीरीज़ का। आज हम सक्सेसफुल इवेंट्स की ईडियम्स को स्टडी करेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द लेसन। हिट द राइट नोट, हिट द राइट नोट is suitable and has the right effect. You can also say strike the right more. It is difficult to get children interested in sculptures, but the special exhibition at the City Gallery hits exactly the right note. Next, go down a treat. Everyone enjoyed it very much. Wilma Gore's performance of Beatles songs went down a treat with the family audience at the Prairie Theatre last month. Next, Go with a Swing was successful and exciting. The Tara Dance Festival went with a swing this year with a wide variety of fun events. Next, Enter into the spirit of means showed that they were happy to be there. Everyone entered into the spirit of things the opening of the museum by dressing up as their favorite historical characters. Next, hit the jackpot means being very successful and probably make a lot of money. Coldplay have certainly hit the jackpot with this their third #1 album. Hit the spot means tasted good and made everyone satisfied. The exciting dishes at the Hentown Food Festival certainly hit the spot with everyone. Got stars in her eyes, is very excited about the future and thinks she's going to be famous. I know she's really got stars in her eyes, hasn't she? Blew my mind means made me feel extremely excited or surprised, used informally. It really blew my mind the first time I heard it. Next, a dream come true means it happened, although it was not likely that it would. It's a dream come true. I can't believe my kick. As happy as Larry. Very happy indeed. Used informally. He is as happy as Larry. The joys of spring means very happy indeed. He seems to be full of the joys of spring. Music to my ears makes me feel happy. Example, that's music to my ears, great news. Happy-go-lucky means someone who is always happy and never worries. He is such a happy-go-lucky person. Make my blood boil, make me very angry. People who are rude to waiters make my blood boil. See red means get angry. Example, people who talk loudly on their mobiles on the train make me see red. All hot and bothered means angry and worried, used informally. People who drive too closely behind me make me all hot and bothered. Get my goat means irritates mean formally used. Phone calls from people trying to sell me things that I don't want to really buy, that I don't want really got my goat. Burst a blood vessel means got very angry, used informally. Mom almost burst a blood vessel when she saw my brother fighting on the street. Rattles cage means make them angry. This idiom is often used to describe someone who has been made angry on purpose. Chewing gum is in the class really rattles my teacher's cage. Knock someone for 6 means shocked or upset him very much. Used informally. Losing his job has knocked John for 6. Wild horses couldn't make me. Someone will not do something even if other people try to force them to do. Wild horses couldn't make me. Have a filling at the dentist without an injection. Have a sinking feeling. Felt that something bad was about to happen. I had forgotten to do my homework, so I had a sinking feeling when my teacher asked for it. Next, down the dumps mean miserable, informally used, also means feeling very sad. Catty has been down in the dumps since she failed her exam. Not be your bag means is not something I'm interested in or like. To not be something or one prefers, desires, enjoys, or cares about. Playing cards is not my bag. It's really boring. Thank you for the invitation, but long distance cycling just isn't really my bag. Wouldn't give something house room. Don't like or approve of. You strongly dislike or disapprove of them and you want to have nothing to do with them. The new government wouldn't give house room to those outdated policies. Next, kick oneself means I'm very cross with myself because I did something stupid. Be annoyed with oneself for doing something foolish or missing an opportunity. I could kick myself for forgetting my sister's birthday. Reduced to tears means made her cry. Her brother's unkind words reduced her to tears. Be a bundle of nerves. Be a bundle of nerves means was extremely nervous, used informally. Fiona was a bundle of nerves before her wedding. Run out of patience means I'm beginning to feel annoyed. I'm running out of patience with these naughty children. Thanks for watching this video. If you like, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.